Hi, I'm going to show you how we're going to generate profit literally by clicking. Now you can do this on a phone by tapping, but I'm on a desktop, so I do it by clicking. If you're on a phone, it'll look like this. If you're on a phone with the phone turned sideways, it'll look like that. If you're on an iPad, it might look like that. If you're on a desktop, it might look like that, but it's all the same thing. And so what we have here is I'm just going to click this button. We can count the clicks. What this is doing is this is searching for situations where a particular cryptocurrency is cheaper on one exchange than it is on another. And it's showing us that, hey, there's this exchange, there's a difference in price. If you'd like to use this amount of how much you have in your wallet to purchase that at the lower price, then we'll go ahead and arrange that it be sold at the higher price and you can keep the difference. So if I click sell, this is an amazing artificially intelligent software. It's a free software and it allows you to find these deals, I don't know if that's the right word, but these price differences. And it says here, if you do this, you're going to make $20.44 in profit. So I'm going to confirm. And over the next 2 hours or so, it'll finalize that, reconcile the transactions, and I'll have an extra $20.44. Now that's just 3 clicks. So here we're going to do 4 clicks. And we're going to run this process again. And here it's showing, oh, we found another coin with this exchange. We can sell it on this exchange, and there's a price difference, and it'll take this much of your available balance. If you want to do that, we'll click sell. And now it says, okay, you can confirm it. And if you confirm it, this is going to generate $13.49 in profit. So the first one was what? $20.44 plus $13.49 and change. So when I click confirm, I've made $33.93 in 6 clicks. Let's do 7 clicks. Can you click a mouse? Can you tap a screen? If you can profit. So here again, we're going to choose to sell this. It's going to use this amount of our available funds to work with. And it's going to profit $7.01. So click number 9. We've now made $40.94. We're still going. We go until this balance gets down to $5 because right now we've got most of it tied up in the transaction. And this is a free software, folks. So you don't have to buy the software. You do need some funds to work with in order to execute these transactions, just as you would in any business. You know, if you're going to sell whatever, mowing lawns, you're going to need a lawnmower, right? If you're going to sell coffee, you're going to need to buy the coffee beans and the coffee maker and resell them. In order to buy something and then resell it for a profit, it takes some funds. But the minimum you can use to do this to start is $9. So we've done 12 clicks so far and we've made $44.57. We've still got some to go here. So let's do it again. Let's click number 13. We're going to choose to sell that. And this one's going to create 91 cents in profit. That's okay. All we got to do is click a button. It's only 15 clicks we're at so far. We still got some wallet balance, $67 left to work with here. And by the way, I am not an investment advisor. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not an attorney. I'm not an accountant. This is not advice. I'm just showing you what I do. And if someone sent you to this video, it's because they care enough about you to show you. You know, you can actually generate profits just by clicking, because this is click number what? 17? 18? You can generate profits by clicking, not because of some magical, mystical fairyland over the rainbow, purple unicorn pooping $100 bills, but just because we've advanced to the point in the arena or niche of cryptocurrency combined with artificial intelligence software to find these transactions for us. So I don't even remember what that one was paying, but it was probably like $1 or a few cents. But anyway, we made about 46 bucks, 45 and a half in, how many clicks did we do? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 clicks, 6 cycles, 3 clicks each, 18 clicks produce $45 for me. If your account is a different size, it's going to produce a different result. and the results aren't always exactly the same percentages because you're just buying stuff at a low price and selling it at a higher price. What's key here is the artificially intelligent software. It's automating the process of finding the deals, showing you the deals, letting you make the decision to confirm whether you want to do the deal or not. And it's showing you, it calculates all the fees and everything into it. So it shows you the net profit that will be left over by the time the transaction is completed. Now here we see most of the funds are in the transaction right now. They're pending. Those currencies are being bought and sold, and then once that happens, it will reconcile. After about 2 hours and 12 minutes or something like that, 2 hours and 13 minutes, all these funds from the transaction will be closed out and they'll be back here in your wallet, and we can repeat this whole process again. So we can do this about 10 times a day if we pay attention and we look at how long it's been since the last run. And what you want to do is whoever sent you to this video, you want to ask them, is there a way to automate this so that we don't even have to click, and let them tell you about how that can be done. But I want you to just imagine for a second that you can be running these cycles, generating profit for you, and you don't even have to log in and click. This is why we've been calling this the 24/7 hands-free passive profit machine. Now, I don't own the company. I don't work for the company. I'm a user of the free software just like you would be if you wanted to participate in such a thing, which is totally on you. But I'm not a financial or investment advisor. Don't take any of this as advice. I'm not recommending that you do this. I'm just showing you what I do. I have a right to do that. I can't guarantee profit. I can't guarantee this will be around for, it might be around for the next 40 years. It might be around for the next 40 days. It might be around for the next 40 minutes. The person who sent you here probably has some more data for you about how it's possible to automate this, and you may have some other questions. So what you want to do is get back to them about this. It's all actually very simple. And I can tell you, before I started doing this, I'd never used crypto before. I was just so confused about what crypto was that I didn't want anything to do with it. And you know what I found out? It's actually very simple. There's just a few terms you need to know, and then it all gets very simple. And you can transact with things like this and take advantage of these price differences just as you would if you found something like baby diapers on Walmart for one price and you listed them on Amazon for 30% more. And then when someone bought them on Amazon, you simply ordered them from Walmart and shipped them to that person and kept the difference. Essentially, based on what I see, based on the explanations for the company as to what this software does, that's basically what we're doing. It's a beautiful thing, and it's a major time-freeing experience. Also, if you decide you'd like to share this wonderful thing with other people because you want to see other people be able to generate some extra profit without having to do anything but clicking or tapping on their phone screen, then you can earn referral commissions for sharing it with others as well. And those commissions are pretty sweet. They're actually 15% of all the profit they generate. Now you have to think about this for a second, because some of you've tried home business stuff before, and you've had lotions and potions and pills and juices and things like that. The problem is that they actually have to spend money, and they actually have to want that product. They have to want to continue to use that product in order for you to generate commission. Here, the product is free, and the product generates profit. Please refer to the earnings disclosure posted on the screen. The product generates profit. Ideally, historically, that's what it's been doing. Now, past performance does not necessarily dictate future performance. I have to tell you that, and your results could be different. What I'm showing you may be exceptional results, not typical results. I really don't know. I don't have access to look at everyone's results, but I know what my results are. If you were to share this with someone so that they could use the free software and they would like to profit by clicking, you would earn a percentage of all their profit. We earn by referring only if our clients profit. That's a beautiful thing, but that's completely optional. Nobody has to use the referral program. You could just come in and do your clicks or automate them so that you're generating profit on a daily basis. By the way, all these funds in here, once this transaction is finalized out, which would take about another 2 hours, all these funds will be back in my wallet balance, and I can immediately withdraw them. To fund this account, it took about 3 minutes from the time I submitted the withdrawal from my crypto wallet to here. It took 3 minutes for the funds to arrive. When I withdraw from this wallet, it takes me about 8 minutes to receive the funds. These funds are not locked up in any way more than the period of the transaction, which is typically about 2 hours and 10 to 12 minutes, something like that. It's not one of these things, it's not staking, it's not yield farming, it's not lending your crypto like a lot of these deals out here where they're locking up your funds for an extended period of time. This is not margin trading like you would see in Forex or margin trading with crypto. There's no charts to analyze. There's no indicators to work with. As they show you the opportunities, you can choose to take them or not take them. And you know ahead of time whether that opportunity is going to be profitable and exactly how much profit it's going to make before you click the confirm button. This is a miracle of innovation in terms of AI, in terms of the environment we live in right now at this time, with the crypto world expanding at a rapid rate. There's new coins every day. There's new exchanges every day. We don't even know how many exchanges there are. There's at least 1,100 right now, and it'll probably be double by next year. That's just my opinion. The crypto space is growing so fast. In my opinion, the capacity is virtually unlimited. Having said all that, we can't guarantee you income. We can't guarantee you longevity. There's risk in anything, just like there's risk in a job or any other business. All we can do is show you how the software works, and if it's something you'd like to participate in, well, just get back to the person who sent you here. And maybe this is on their webpage and there's a button where you can get started, or maybe it's on their webpage where there's a link to the instructions on how to do all this stuff. Maybe it's on a YouTube video that they put up and there's a link in the description, or maybe it's just out there and there's no link and you just have to send the person a text and say, hey, how do I get more information on this? I'm sure they'd be happy to help you. Anyway, thank you very much for your time. We'll talk to you soon. Bye.